Greetings, tutor. My name is Brian Alejandro Cardoso Hernandez. I am 28 years old. I am a software development student. Today, as a fortune teller, I will share with you 10 predictions about what will happen in the next 20 years. Number 1. Technology. In 20 years, artificial intelligence will be an integral part of our daily lives, from personal assistants to robots performing everyday tasks for us. Number 2. Environment. Renewable energy will dominate the energy sector, and our dependence on fossil fuels will have significantly decreased. Number 3. Society. Smart cities be fully connected, with technologies managing traffic, safety, and public health more efficiently. Health. There will be medical breakthroughs that will allow the cure of diseases we currently consider incurable, such as cancer or neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5. Education. Online education will become the norm, with more interactive and personalized learning platforms that adapt to the needs of each student. Number 6. Work. Remote work will be common in all sectors, and traditional office will be replaced by flexible and collaborative workspace. Number 7. Travel. In 20 years, commercial space travel will be an accessible option for many people, and we will see human colonies on the Moon or Mars. Number 8. Communications. Virtual and augmented reality will change the way we communicate, allowing us to interact with others in a more immersive way, even a long distance. Number 9. Fur. Vertical farming will become the norm, enabling fur to be grown in the series in an efficient and sustainable way. Number 10. Medical technology. There will be probably medical devices capable of constantly monitoring our health and detecting disease before symptoms appear. I hope these predictions have been interesting and that they make you reflect on the future. Thank you for watching my video.